Hey guys, welcome back. If you remember this MacBook here from 2009-2010, customer bought it in and she wanted to upgrade her machine. So I've already installed the new solid state drive for 180 gigs and she wants to go ahead and upgrade her operating system. She had 10.6, which I believe is OS Mountain Lion, and now I'm going to go ahead and upgrade her to Sierra. And then from Sierra, she made a note that she wants to take High Sierra. So as you can see here, I'm downloading the file from Apple's website, which leads me into the App Store. That lets me download the software directly and install it. Watching the installer though, it's always feeling like it's watching paint dry, no matter how long or how fast the process takes. But this is the joys of being in the technology world. Now, of course, the customer didn't stop there just with the OS and the hard drive upgrade. The customer went ahead and asked to upgrade her RAM. She currently has 2 gigs of RAM installed in this PC. We told her that we will upgrade her to 4 gigs of RAM. So you're actually going to see me after the complete installation of High Sierra. You're going to see me take apart the computer, then take out the RAM. The first batch didn't work, so I had to go grab another batch and turn it on. I was impatient, but got to know it works.